Welcome to today's lesson. And today we'll look at the sets and how to solve paper 2 type of question under sets. So we'll learn how to solve paper 2 sets. I have a question here from the past paper of 2018, paper 2 internal. So this question came under internal paper 2 2018. Here's the question. At SMARK Tuition Center, 20 students study at least one of the 3 subjects: mathematics, represented by M, chemistry, and physics. All those who study chemistry also study mathematics. 3 students study all the 3 subjects. 4 students study mathematics only. 8 students study chemistry, and the 14 students study mathematics. Question 1. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Question 2. How many students study A. Physics only, B. 2 subjects only, C. Mathematics and physics, but not chemistry. So look at how we are going to solve for this question. Question 1, we are told to illustrate the information in a Venn diagram. And before you illustrate anything in a Venn diagram, you need to understand some of the terms that are used when you're solving sets. So let's start going through the question. At SMARK Tuition Center, 20 students, so we have 20 students here, study at least 1. So when they mean at least 1, meaning all the 20 students, they are studying at least one of the 3 subjects. There is no one who's not studying the 3 subjects, at least one of the 3 subjects. All the 20 will be under the 3 sets. No one will be outside, because we are told 20 students study at least one of the 3. And then we continue mathematics, chemistry, and physics. All those who study chemistry also, so let's underline this one. All those who study chemistry also study mathematics. So when you hear all those who study chemistry also study mathematics, meaning chemistry will be the subset of mathematics. Chemistry will be the subset of mathematics. It will be inside set M for mathematics. And 3 students study all the 3 subjects. 4 students study mathematics only. 8 students study chemistry. 14 study mathematics. So it's underlined also 4 here. So we have 3 there. Okay. To illustrate, in the first case we have 3 sets. We have 3 subjects for 3 sets. So let's draw our 3 sets. Okay, we have the first one. Then we are going to have this one. Then we have another one. Remember, chemistry is the subset of mathematics. So in this case, it means this will be for mathematics and this will be for chemistry. Then this will be for physics. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with those who studied all the 3. We have 3 students you have 3 students here, those who study all the 3. Here's the 3 for all the 3 students. So you indicate 3 where all the 3 sets are meeting, or where all the 3 sets are intersecting. So if you check here, it's here we are going to enter our 3. Okay, so that's where we write 3 for all the 3 sets. Then we are told that 4 students study mathematics only. 4 students study mathematics. Here is our 4. They should study mathematics only, meaning we'll just enter that 4 direct in mathematics, where mathematics is not intersecting with any of the other 2 sets. So here is where we will enter our 4. Then we continue. 8 students study chemistry. So if you are told that 8 students study chemistry, and if they study chemistry, they also study mathematics, because in the first place we are told that all those who study chemistry study mathematics. So 8 students study what? Chemistry. And out of 8 we have 3 which is already there, indicated here entered. So meaning the remainder are the ones who indicate under chemistry, the other part of chemistry. When you subtract 3 from 8, you get 5, meaning here is where we indicate 5. So under chemistry we have all of them. 5 plus 3 we have 8. So we have managed to enter for all the 8 for chemistry. Let's move on. The next one, we have 14 here. 14 students study mathematics. So everyone in mathematics, when you add everyone in mathematics, they should be 14. The total should be 14. So when you add 4 plus say 5, 9 plus 3, you have 12. Then you subtract 12 from 14, you are getting 2. So 2, the ones we will indicate under the intersection of mathematics and physics. We can't indicate them anywhere else because we are going to disturb the figures. Then remember, we are told that at this school there were 20 students. So after you are done entering, check if you have up to 20. If you add, you only have in mathematics here, if you add everything here, you will get 14. So meaning we need to also indicate for those who took physics, when you subtract 14, since we are done with the 14, meaning the remaining ones are the ones who were studying physics only. So you say 20 minus 14, we will get 6. So this is where we get our 6. So like this, we have illustrated in the Venn diagram. We have all the students that are entered for in this Venn diagram. They remember to indicate an E here to represent the universal set. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Question 2, we are told that for those who study chemistry only. We are told to find how many students study physics only. Those who are studying physics only, that is question 2. 2a. So physics only, physics only. So those who are studying physics only, we are going to get those who are not in the intersection. They only appear in physics only. So our physics only will be physics intersection. Okay, pardon me. Okay, let's get rid of this line. Okay, so physics only will be physics intersection mathematics union chemistry close brackets complement. So in this case, this means that when you combine the mathematics and the chemistry, then get rid of them, then get what is in physics intersection. So the ones who were studying physics only, in this case it's 6. They were 6. So right, 6. So 6 students are the ones who are studying physics only. They are not in mathematics, they are not in chemistry, but only in physics. We move on to the next. How many students study 2 subjects only? So for 2 subjects only, these people or students are studying at least 2. So we have mathematics intersection chemistry. That's where you find them. Then plus the 4 mathematics intersection physics. Okay, mathematics intersection physics, which is equal to, for those who are studying mathematics and chemistry, it's here under the subset here. So I get the 5, write 5 here, plus, okay, those who are studying mathematics and physics. So mathematics and physics, we can see them here. Mathematics and physics, that is 2. And when you add 5 plus 2, we will have 7. So those who are studying 2 subjects only, it's 5 plus 2, which is 7. Then move on to the last one. Those who are studying mathematics and physics but not chemistry. So in this case, when you hear the word and, just it means we are talking about the intersection. We're talking about the intersection, and in the underset means intersection. So don't combine everything that you have in mathematics and physics, but only the intersection of mathematics and physics. So in this case, this means we get the intersection of mathematics and the physics. So you get for mathematics and physics, okay, then intersection C complement. So why C complement? You are not supposed to include N from chemistry. So if you check, or if we exclude T chemistry, but you go for mathematics intersection physics, it's the 2 here. So in this case, our answer is 2. So there are 2 students who are studying mathematics and physics, but not chemistry. So this is our final answer. So this is how we calculate. This is just one of the examples. There are different scenarios on how to solve sets. So you can try to go through different questions, or you can ask by commenting in the comments section. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson, and subscribe to the channel for more lessons like this. Bye bye.